What is the difference between Json.Dump and Json.Dumps in Python? I searched in this official document to find difference between the Json.Dump and Json.Dumps in Python. It is clear that they are related with file write option. But what is the detailed difference between them, and in what situations one has more advantage than other?
If you want to dump the JSON into a file/socket or whatever, then you should go with dump. If you only need it as a string, for printing, parsing or whatever, then use dumps, dump string. As mentioned by Anti-Hopla in this answer, there are some minor differences on the ensure_ASCII behavior. This is mostly due to how the underlying write function works, being that it operates on chunks rather than the whole string. Check his answer for more details on that. Json.Dump. Serialize obj as a JSON formatted stream to FP, a.write, supporting file-like objective ensure_ASCII is false, some chunks written to FP may be Unicode instances. Json.Dumps. Serialize obj to a JSON formatted strip ensure_ASCII is false, the result may contain non-ASCII characters and the return value may be a Unicode instance.
The functions ending with s accept string parameters. The other take file, streams or pointers to files.
One notable difference in Python 2 is that if you're using ensure_ASCII equals false, dump will properly write UTF-8 encoded data into the file unless you used 8-bit strings with extended characters that are not UTF-8. Dumps on the other hand, with ensure_ASCII equals false can produce a str or Unicode just depending on what types you use for strings. Serialize obj to a JSON formatted str using this conversion table. If ensure_ASCII is false, the result may contain non-ASCII characters and the return value may be a Unicode instance. Emphasis mine. Note that it may still be a str instance as well. Thus you cannot use its return value to save the structure into file without checking which format was returned and possibly playing with Unicode.encode. This of course is not valid concern in Python 3 anymore, since there is no more this 8-bit/Unicode confusion. As for load versus loads, load considers the whole file to be one JSON document, so you cannot use it to read multiple new line limited JSON documents from a single file.
In memory usage and speed. When you call johnstr equals Json.Dumps, metadata, it first creates a full copy of your data in memory and only then you file the write, johnstr it to disk. So this is a faster method but can be a problem if you have a big piece of data to save. When you call Json.Dump, metadata, file, without hes, new memory is not used, as the data is dumped by chunks. But the whole process is about 2 times slower. Source. I checked the source code of Json.Dump and Json.Dumps, and also tested both the variants measuring the time with time and watching the memory usage in top.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.